Welcome back to your daily market close. Friday, June 5th, 2026. And folks, there is no sugarcoating it. Today was rough. The mood across Wall Street is decidedly bearish. Sellers dominated from the opening bell to the final tick. Let's get right into the numbers. The S&P 500 dropped 2.58%, closing at 737.55. The Nasdaq got hit even harder, plunging 4.8% to 705.06. That is a brutal session for tech. The Dow Jones held up slightly better but still shed 1.35%, closing at 509.70. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because that's where the real pain was concentrated today. Tesla leads the damage, falling 6.56% to $391 a share. Nvidia wasn't far behind, dropping 6.2% to $205.10. Meta sank 5.51%, closing at $593. Amazon lost 3.06%, ending at $246.03. And Microsoft slid 2.66% to $416.67. Every single name in the Mag 7 got hammered today. Turning to commodities. And there's no safe haven here either. Gold dropped 3.65% to $396.24. Silver absolutely cratered, falling over 8% to $61.57. That is a massive move for silver. Oil pulled back 2.72%, with WTI settling at $133.02 per barrel. Over in crypto, the selling pressure continued. Bitcoin fell 2.7%, sitting at $61,586. Ethereum took it much worse, plummeting over 9% to $1,595. That's a significant drop for ETH in a single session. Forex data is unavailable for today's session, so we'll move straight to the headlines. The Supreme Court sided with the Trump administration on federal regulation of telecom companies. That ruling from the Associated Press could reshape how telecom markets operate going forward. Lululemon cut its annual outlook and issued weak second quarter guidance. The company cited undisclosed headwinds. Shares were under pressure and that cautious tone fed into broader retail sentiment. And the Wall Street Journal is tracking broader market volatility with live updates following Broadcom's earnings report. Mixed signals from the semiconductor space added fuel to today's tech sell-off. So stepping back, today was one of those sessions where almost nothing worked. Stocks, commodities, and crypto all moved lower together. When you see correlated selling like this across asset classes, it tells you risk appetite has evaporated. Looking ahead, keep an eye on next week's economic calendar for any inflation or jobs data that could shift the narrative. Watch whether tech can find a floor after today's sharp losses. And monitor silver and Ethereum closely. Moves of 8 and 9% in a single day demand follow through attention. That's your market close for June 5th. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. We'll see you next time.